You carry fire, but does it burn or warm? That's what day 23 of our Hanuman Chalisa journey is really about, the balance between power and peace. If this journey resonates, hit follow, share it with someone who needs strength today, and do type Jai Hanuman in the comment to keep this energy alive. आपन तेज संहारो आपे, तीनों लोक हाकते कापे. You alone can contain your own radiant power. When you roar, the three worlds tremble. At first, it sounds like a pure force, thunder, fire, power. But if you listen closely, you're hearing something else, restraint. Tulsidas doesn't praise how powerful Hanuman is. He praises how aware Hanuman is. Because true power isn't measured by noise, it's measured by control. When Hanuman sets Lanka ablaze, he didn't lose himself to anger. He burned the homes of injustice, but never the innocent. He destroyed ego, not existence. Even fire in his hand found direction. And that's what Tulsidas saw, power that protects, strength that listens, fire that warms, not burns. Now, let me tell you a real story. The story from our time. In 2021, Flight Lieutenant Shivani Singh became the first woman to fly Rafale fighter jet, India's most advanced combat aircraft. She grew up in Varanasi, a small city with big dreams. When she told people she wanted to join the Air Force, they smiled, thinking it was just another childhood fantasy. But she didn't stop dreaming. She studied physics, trained with NCC, and earned her commission in the Indian Air Force in 2017. For years, she flew the MiG 21 Bison, the same aircraft which Wing Commander Abhinandan Vartaman flew during the Balakot mission. She faced days of rigorous training, constant drills, and the defying roars of jet engines. But when reporters later asked about her journey into the Rafale program, she said something which is remarkable. It is not about aggression, it's about awareness. Every move in that sky demands control. That's the heart of today's verse. Because the Rafale is raw fire, a machine that can break sounds and dominate skies. But in the cockpit, Shivangi isn't just a pilot. She is calm, measured, still. She doesn't unleash power, she orchestrates it. And when she flies, the sky listens. That's Apan Tej Samharo Ape. The world trembles not because she is loud, but because she is present. And maybe that's the message we all need right now. Everyone has power, your words, your choices, your emotions. But do you control them or do they control you? Do you use them to build or to break? Because here is the thing, even light can blind if it's not directed. Hanuman's power never overpowered him. It served his purpose. It served Rama. He didn't let his strength speak louder than his surrender. That's why the worlds tremble, not out of fear, but out of reverence. We live in a time where everyone wants to roar, to prove, to post, to shout. But Hanuman, he reminds us stillness can shake the universe too. Your greatest power is not in reaction, it's in response. It's not in how loud you are, it's in how aligned you are. So maybe today, instead of trying to be powerful, try to be peaceful. Because when peace holds the flame never dies, it illuminates. Now, say it with me softly. आपन तेज संहारो आपे, तीनों लोग हाकते कापे. Feel it rise through your breath, that balance of fire and grace. You have power, you have light. Now let wisdom be your pilot. Tomorrow, day 24, we'll see how that same fire becomes protection, how Hanuman's energy turns from strength to shield. One verse a day, one quality to awaken, one fire mastered by faith. Jai Hanuman.